Hello and welcome to another episode of Colorful Finance. Today we will share with you a special video as we will walk you through a complete guide of how to be a successful affiliate. Now let's begin the video. Affiliate marketing is a multi-billion-dollar industry that offers a wide range of rewarding career options for those in the creative industries. If you're an online retailer, you're likely already familiar with this method of promoting your products and services. In 2020 alone, more than 2 billion people will have purchased goods or services online, and e-commerce sales will have surpassed $4.2 trillion worldwide, according to Statista. 𝐤𝐤𝐤's review of affiliate marketing in 2021 found that by April, 37% of people were purchasing products through affiliate links among the billions of people now buying things online. According to 𝐤𝐤𝐤's 2021 report, 37% of people had purchased products after clicking on affiliate links as of April. Getting started with affiliate marketing does not have to be expensive because many of the best programs allow you to join for free. In addition, you may be able to transition from a side hustle to a successful business that pays you on a residual basis over time. Having a hard time deciding where to begin? You'll be up and running in no time with the help of this beginner's guide. What is the process of affiliate marketing? Companies pay third-party vendors to promote their products or services in the form of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketers are anyone who has ever promoted a product on a podcast or through a social media influencer. They are compensated with a percentage of sales generated as a result of their recommendations for goods and services. A unique link or code will be provided to you after you sign up for an affiliate marketing program. This link or code will allow the companies to track every customer that you send their way. A commission is paid to you when a customer makes a purchase after clicking on your link. Directly from a company or through an affiliate network like 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐬, you can find programs. The standard affiliate program operates as follows. The first step is to get the word out about Store A on your website, blog, and other social media accounts. Your unique link is clicked by someone. They buy something from Shop A. The transaction is recorded by the company or its affiliate network. 5. The purchase has been confirmed by Store A. 6. You're paid a salary. Determine your specialty. In a larger market, a niche can be defined as a subset with its own set of distinct characteristics. People will recognize you as an authority on the subject because of your expertise in it. Travel blogging, pet care, and tiny homes are all possible affiliate marketing niches. Niche marketing is the process of targeting a specific group of customers. It aids in the development of a devoted customer base that will choose your products over those of your competitors. Are you interested in finding out more about this topic? Over time, you'll want to become an expert in your field. The only way to become an expert is to constantly learn and keep up with the latest trends. There is a good chance that affiliate marketers are experts in a specific field. This opens up new avenues for the dissemination of knowledge and the assistance of others in resolving issues. Is it a good investment? To see how popular your niche is, do a Google search. Make sure there isn't a lot of competition in the market. Take a look at the latest market data. It's not always a bad thing to have a crowded market because it means that there are people who are willing to purchase. The idea is to find something you're passionate about. It's not going to happen overnight that you're making six figures. You must be dedicated and patient to be successful in an affiliate marketing business. If you already enjoy doing it, you'll be more likely to keep doing it even if you're making a lot of money. 2. Decide which platform to use. Choosing a platform for your business is the next logical step. There is no one-size-fits-all approach to affiliate marketing. As a beginner, you can choose between two main approaches. Product or service review site for a specific topic. Sites like these evaluate and compare the products of different companies for a specific target audience. New York Times Wirecutter is an example of a buyer's guide and product tutorial website that can help consumers make purchasing decisions. In the digital world, bloggers, social media influencers, and YouTubers are all examples of content creators. Influence and clicks are gained by publishing content that resonates with their audience on a regular basis. For instance, freelancers are the focus of Ryan Robinson's blog. New content related to freelancing attracts an audience and promotes the brands with which they have a business relationship. Affiliate marketing relies heavily on authenticity and participation from the target audience. Customers are less likely to purchase the products you recommend if you can't establish a personal connection with them. Having trouble deciding which platform to use? Start with a system you're familiar with. When it comes to making social media videos, Instagram is the best place to start. Blogging may be the best path for you if you're an excellent writer. Content that connects with your audience and drives affiliate sales is more likely to be created on platforms you're already familiar with. Find affiliate marketing programs that fit your needs. It's possible to find a lot of affiliate marketing programs. Affiliate marketing is used by 80% of companies according to Medikix. So it's critical that you find a program that's right for your needs and goals. Find affiliate offers and products that will appeal to your target audience, not just those that pay the most. The following are some things to consider when selecting an affiliate program. Is the program well known in the industry? You don't want to work with partners who aren't trusted by the public. As a result of the efforts of affiliate marketing platforms such as ShareASale and ClickBank, it is now possible to work with reputable merchants. Is the program's commission rate high enough? You want to get paid for your time and effort in the form of a good salary. For a sale, many programs pay between 10% and 20% commission. Select a rate that works best for you. Has a high earnings per click, EPC, rate been established? In the world of affiliate marketing, EPC, earnings per click, is a metric that shows the average affiliate earnings for every 100 visitors to a given merchant's website. For each merchant, networks like ShareASale provide this information. When the EPC for Modern Nursery is $38.20, you can earn almost $40 per click even though the commission rate is only 5%. A successful affiliate business hinges on finding the right programs. The comedic podcast True Crime Obsessed, hosted by best friends Patrick Hines and Gillian Pensavalle, is an excellent example of this type of podcast. Over 70 million downloads and 6 other Obsessed network offshoots have been achieved in a year by using this unique approach to a popular niche. A dedicated promo code page dedicated to the podcast's niche is used to promote a wide range of products and services. Ask your favorite brands if they have an ambassador or affiliate program to find good affiliate opportunities. As a result, you'll be able to sell goods you already believe in and enjoy using. The fourth step is to produce content that is of value to the readership. There were an estimated 170 million internet users worldwide in 2019, according to Statista. There is a glut of content out there, so if you want to be noticed, you need to make yours stand out. A great way to do this is through the use of blogs. More than 2/3 of all affiliate marketers rely solely on blog traffic, according to Findstack. Affiliate marketers should focus on publishing high-quality content and building a highly engaged audience, according to Kelly Marrell of the Greenspring Home. That investment will pay off in the long run. According to Statista, people around the world will spend an average of 145 minutes a day on social media in 2020. So, if you're wondering if being an affiliate marketer requires a website, the answer is no. Promoting your content on social media is a simple and cost-free way to reach a wider audience. Using the pins you've accumulated on your various Pinterest boards can help you earn money as an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing can be done entirely on social media, such as at Amanda Cerny, who became an influencer on YouTube and now has over 24 million Instagram followers as an affiliate marketer. Research and understand search engine optimization if you run a blog, SEO. SEO is predicted to outperform organic social media in 2020 by more than 1,000%. To reach your intended audience, You must conduct thorough keyword research and execute an effective SEO strategy. Your customers who have already visited your site can be re-engaged through email marketing. 5. Create a following. You must first locate your target audience if you hope to grow a following. It's easier to connect with your audience when you have a list of email addresses. If someone signs up for your email list, you can send them newsletters, updates on new content, and promotional offers. Influencers in your area of expertise can help you grow your social media following. What matters most is getting more people to visit your website or social media page. In order to keep them coming back, you must build a relationship of trust with your audience. It is advised that you write about things that will benefit your audience and help them connect and make a better and informed decision on the options they have. In order to make money, don't try to push anything on your audience. The more genuine your interest, the more trustworthy you will appear to them. Write about topics that will be useful to your readers and help them connect with one another and make better and more informed decisions about the options that they have available to them. 6. Comply with the FTC's rules. Customers are protected by the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, from deceptive advertising practices. Many affiliate marketers willing to promote scams and misleading products in order to make a quick buck are unfortunately out there. To avoid this, the FTC requires that any affiliate marketer who is promoting a brand or product disclose their financial relationship with the company. It's imperative that you inform your readers that the products you're promoting are being compensated for, and you must always disclose when a link is an affiliate link in order to remain in compliance with the Federal Trade Commission, FTC. Resources. The FTC's endorsement guides, affiliates. The definitive guide to FTC disclosure for affiliates. In what ways does affiliate marketing benefit my company and my customers? Let's take a look at some of the top advantages of affiliate marketing. You don't actually own the goods you're hawking, do you? Like Amazon Associates, most public affiliate programs are larger and don't require you to buy any of the products you recommend, such as those offered by ClickBank. Simply sign up for their affiliate program, grab your link, and post it on your page or website. It's as simple as that. Starting out, this is a great option because you don't have to spend a lot of money on physical or digital products. There are many products and services that you can experiment with to see which ones are most popular with your audience. It's a way for you to earn money without having to work. You're all set once you've laid the groundwork to keep people coming to your site. It's as simple as finding the right affiliate partners for your audience and putting their links on your site. Keeping your unique links and codes visible on your site will continue to bring in recurring commissions for you. Earning potential is very high. For newbies, affiliate marketing offers a six-figure income opportunity. Affiliate marketing has the potential to replace your 9-to-5 job, even if you don't start making that much money right away. Affiliate marketing can bring in as much as $170,000 a month for Pat Flynn, according to Business Insider. 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐤. House founder and adventure junkie. Rowan Codom used affiliate sales to turn his blog from a hobby into a successful online business. During the difficult COVID pandemic, I scaled my affiliate marketing business and turned a profit in a short period of time. So Rowan left JP Chase to become a full-time blogger and affiliate marketer. Can a new affiliate marketer expect to make much? If you're working with a different company, you'll get a different commission rate. Amazon's Associates program pays commissions ranging from 1% to 10% of sales. Another option is to pay $20 commission per sale, such as Thrive Market's $20 commission on every Butcher Box subscription. As many as 30% commissions are available in some affiliate programs. It's entirely up to you how much money you can make through affiliate marketing. Traffic to your site will be based on your ability to generate it, as well as your ability to accurately predict which affiliate products and services your audience will respond to. According to Statista, the affiliate marketing industry in the United States is expected to reach $8.2 billion in revenue by 2022, an increase from its 2017 valuation of $5.4 billion. So the market is expanding. According to Google Trends, interest in affiliate marketing has increased by 142% since 2016. Though interest peaked in the summer 2021, with an increase of 426%. Become financially independent through the use of affiliate marketing. An affiliate income is a smart way to make money online, without a doubt. It's possible to build an audience and earn regular payments through your affiliate site without putting yourself at too much risk. Thank you for joining us, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.